Hello friends, today we will solve a problem rotate array. In this problem we are given an unsorted array ARR of size n and we have to rotate that array by d elements. Okay, the value of n and d will be given to us as an input. So we see an example, n equals to 5 is given and d equals to 2 also given. Our array is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So n is the size of array and d is the number of elements by which we have to rotate our array. So we have to rotate our array by 2 elements. See, our array is this. First 2 elements of our array is 1 and 2. We have to rotate the array. In short, we have to put these elements at the last of our array. So let's see the solution. I will do this problem by using reversal algo. So I'll tell you what is the reversal algo. So we'll now see the reversal algo. We have been given an array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of size 5 and we have to rotate it by 2 elements. So the first step in this algorithm is we have to divide our array into 2 parts, d and n minus d. Our one array should have d elements and our second element should have n minus d. Okay, so in this array we have d equals to 2. So our first array will be this much and second array will be this. Okay, now the second step will be we will reverse each array. First we will reverse this array and then we will reverse this array. So after reversing this array, what will get? We get 2, 1. And after reversing this array, what will we get? We will get 5, 4, 3. And the final step is we'll reverse the whole array. Then what we'll get? We'll see 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. So this is very simple and easiest approach to rotate an array. So we'll see the code for this problem. So here is the code. You can see we have been given a function rotate array. Okay. In the first step, I have reversed the array. Okay, containing d elements only. You can see 0 to d only I have reversed. Suppose we have this much this array. So according to the code written here, I have only reversed this much part of my array. That is 1, 2 part. And coming to the second step, this. In this step, I have reversed all the remaining, that is n minus d elements of my array. You can see here according to this d to n. You know, array slicing operation, it always contain n minus 1 elements. It will not contain up to n elements. See. And after that we have reversed the whole array. So I hope you have got the solution. Now let's run it and check it whether it's work or not. Yeah, it works totally fine. Now see whether it gets submitted or not. Yes, हमारा क्वेश्चन